Hi everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on JuMake, a command line tool to set up JUCE projects using CMake. Let's dive right in. First we need to install Rust. If you don't have installed Rust, head over to rustlang.org and follow the installation instructions. Now we can install JuMake with cargo install JuMake. Now let's create a new JUCE project. In your terminal, run JuMake new my project. JuMake will ask if you want to install a GUI application, an audio plugin, or a console app. We choose GUI application. Cloning of JUCE from GitHub can take some minutes. This command sets up the project structure, initializes a Git repository, and clones JUCE as a submodule. We now can enter the project directory, and we will see a CMake list txt modules contains JUCE and src contains our source files. Now we can build our project with JuMake build. JuMake will create a build directory, generates build files using CMake, and compile the project. Our build was successful, and now we can simply enter JuMake run to run our application. And here it is. We can open VS Code. And now you can see a CMake list, and in source we have our source files. And now we can simply add a new source file by JuMake add component MyNew, and you see you have a new component and it's in the CMake list txt ready for build. It will build and run the application. Here it is. And that's it. You've successfully installed JuMake, created, built and run a new JUCE project, opened it in VS Code and added a new component. If you found this tutorial helpful, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more programming tutorials. Thank you for watching.